Today we're going to use the SparkVue app on your device, so your phone or your computer, and a weather sensor to have a look at how to use the weather dashboard to record data, abiotic data, in your ecosystem. So open up the SparkVue app on your device and click the sensor data, which is the middle option there. Now, we need to turn on your weather sensor. So this is a weather sensor and it's wireless and it talks to your device with Bluetooth. So hold down the start button and you'll see some lights flashing, and instantly my device has noticed that this has been turned on. But we need to be careful because when we're in a class we might be using many of these, so you've got to look at the number next on your weather sensor and make sure you match that number to the sensor that you connect to. So this one starts 575469. So I want to click the matching sensor on my device. So we're connecting to this weather sensor. Now, there are a few different options, but today we're going to look at the weather dashboard. The weather dashboard is down here. When you click weather dashboard, it will open up and show you all the different things that this weather sensor is measuring. At the moment it's in the wrong units. It's using the US units with Fahrenheit and feet. So click this button here to change the units to metric. And now you'll see we've got centigrade for our temperature, and we've got meters. So this is now the units that we want. Now, nothing's happening at the moment. I haven't pressed start, but if we click start now, this data would vary all the time. It's almost impossible to collect the readings fast enough. So I'm going to slow down the data collection by clicking the periodic button down here. That says how often the data is going to be sent to my device. I'm going to use these arrows here to set the sample interval to 30 seconds. So every 30 seconds my weather sensor is going to send information to my device. So click OK, and now I'm ready to go. Every 30 seconds when I press start, we will get some new data. So we've got some data that's come in. Let's have a look at what we've got. 29 degrees centigrade with a humidity of 62.2%, a dew point of 20.2 degrees C, absolute humidity there, light intensity of 5,409 lux. So these are bits of data you can put into your book. So if I move the sensor to somewhere else, when we get to 30 seconds, these numbers will change. So they all change slightly because I was in a different place. And after 30 seconds more, they will change again. So every 30 seconds, you can read the data from your device and you can write them down in your table. So you want to do this in about 10 different spots in your ecosystem. We're about to get a new change. So I'll let you see we're at 58 seconds. So here we go, there's a minute, and we've got a little bit of a change there. The light intensity went down a little bit and the wind speed has gone up. So that's how to use the weather dashboard and your weather sensor in your ecosystem.